More than 5 million severely paralyzed people in the U.S. can finally take a sigh of relief. A novel endovascular brain-computer interface, BCI, is designed to help patients once again perform activities using their thoughts. The minimally invasive implant is considered a life-changer for patients suffering from amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. Study investigator and professor of mechanical engineering and neuroscience at Carnegie Mellon University, Douglas J. Weber briefed the press about the potential of the implant. He further added how participants were able to use the device to manage tasks, such as texting loved ones, sending email, browsing the internet, and handling personal finances, such as online banking. The implant is a good news for ALS patients who eventually lose the muscle control and movement, often resulting in total paralysis. BCIs can measure and translate brain signals, and carry out communication between the brain and an external device by synthesizing signals from the precentral gyrus. Without intervention, paralyzed patients become worse and become overly dependent on caregivers. BCIs are certainly a step in the right direction, but how soon they become available to the public will determine their efficacy.